Good day everyone, so I am Princess Diane Kumapak and I will be discussing the 10 nature of patterns.
Fibonacci sequence appears in the arrangement of dot leaves on stems, branching of trees, dot, and flowering of artichokes. Used in dot finance, technical analysis, architecture, dot, and computer science. Examples: fractals, dot, found in Romanesco broccoli, coastlines, dot, and mountain ranges. Used in image, compression, computer graphics, and dot modeling natural phenomena. Examples: spiral patterns, dot seen in seashells, galaxies, and hurricanes. Used in architecture, design of buildings and bridges, engineering, design of turbines, and medicine, modeling of blood vessels. Examples: wave patterns appears in ocean waves, sound waves, and light waves used in telecommunications. Signal processing, medical imaging, ultrasound, and weather forecasting. Examples: symmetry, found in the structure of molecules, crystals, and living organisms used in chemistry, prediction of molecular properties, physics, description of fundamental laws, and computer science, design of algorithms. Examples: branching patterns, dot seen in trees, rivers, and blood vessels. Used in computer science, design of algorithms, and data structures, engineering, design of transportation networks, and medicine, modeling of blood flow. Examples: hexagonal patterns, found in honeycombs, rocks, and snowflakes. Used in engineering, design of structures and materials, computer science, design of dot algorithms and data structures, and architecture, design of buildings and bridges. Examples: vortex patterns appears in whirlpools, tornadoes, and galaxies. Used in engineering, design of turbines and pumps. Meteorology, modeling of weather patterns, and oceanography, modeling of ocean currents. Examples: cyclical patterns, dot seen in day and night, seasons, and life cycles. Used in economics, modeling of business cycles, dot ecology, modeling of population dynamics, dot and medicine, modeling of circadian rhythms. Examples: network patterns, found in ecosystems, social networks, and the dot human brain. Used in computer science, design of dot algorithms and data structures, sociology, modeling of social networks, and biology, modeling of ecosystems and biological networks. Examples: thanks for watching.